Guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So yesterday Fortnite got banned from the App Store and the Play Store. So what exactly happened that made Apple and Google ban Fortnite from their stores, from their app stores? So Epic, the company behind Fortnite, recently has been trying to make Apple lower its fees that it charges developers every time there's a sale of an app. So if you buy an app, Apple takes 30% of the cut, or if there's an in-app purchase, which Apple also takes another 30% cut. So of course, Fortnite is a free game, but when players buy clothes or items for their characters, Apple takes a small cut, that 30% cut of fees or sales tax, which they call it. So yesterday, Fortnite released a new feature, a new sneaky feature that allowed players to buy V-Bucks, the currency that players use to buy stuff on Fortnite. And with this new feature, it allowed to directly pay Epic instead of having to go through the App Store. So Epic was charging like $8, and then of course there's the $10 one that of course is the default one, because Epic raises it to $10 because, well, like that it could give that 30% cut to Apple, and then of course they take the $8 like the normal usual price. And with this new update, where you will be able to direct payment Epic instead, you'll only be charged, of course, $8 and that's it, and not a $10 fee. Now, Epic knew that this feature that they released was going to get them banned from the App Store. And what exactly did Apple do a few hours later? It pretty much took away Fortnite from the App Store. So Fortnite was quickly to, of course, file a lawsuit, which they were prepared for this already. And also they released statements as well, because they knew Apple was gonna take them down from the App Store. And they also released a funny parody video of Apple's famous ad that they released when IBM was like the big tech company, and now IBM's not that big tech company no more. It is now, of course, Apple, this big brother company, and it is a parody and it's a perfect match up video of the Apple ad that it was released in 1984, I believe. And of course they exactly remade it. And of course, if you think that big tomato head guy looking on the screen, that kind of guy reminds me of Tim Cook right now. So anyways, Epic was prepared for this, and Apple pretty much fell for their trap. And right now, Apple has to, of course, try to get away from this. Has to find a way out of this trap that Epic pulled, because, well, it doesn't look good right now for Apple. And also, they did the same thing, of course, on the Play Store, which is why Google kicked them out of the Play Store. Kicked out Fortnite out of the Play Store as well, and they are also suing Google as well. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see this battle and see how these two big billion-dollar companies, Epic and Apple, take it on to court, and how Fortnite is in the middle of this. And of course, Epic is of course using the players who play on the iPhone or on the iPad to voice out their concerns about this as well, with the hashtag #FreeFortnite, which is really interesting, because, well, what they're saying is that, of course, without the next update, so the next future update, players will miss the new season of Fortnite on the iPhone and iPad, for the people who are playing on the iPhone and iPad. So yeah, it's really interesting to see if Apple, and who's going to win this battle, if it's going to be Apple or Epic, because Epic has the money and Apple as well to take these companies each other to court. And yeah, and so Epic is positioning themselves as like the hero, kind of the fighter kind of, for small app developers out there as well. And so yeah, we'll see what happens in court. because it's gonna be really interesting. And if you guys haven't seen that video, the parody video, then I highly recommend you guys do, because it is really funny as well. Because like I said, it's a perfect mashup of the original video, and then of course Epic's parody video using Fortnite characters. So tell me guys in the comments below what you guys think about this. Who do you think is gonna win? Who's on, who's right, who's wrong? And yeah, that's pretty much it. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel, because that does help as well. Or like the video as well, because that does certainly help as well. So that's it for now. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.